Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native. Today we are going to learn about the status bar in the React Native. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In the React Native, the status bar is a component that allows you to control the appearance and the behavior of the status bar at the top of the screen. Whatever the top of the screen would be, call it as a status bar on the mobile devices. You can customize the status bar to change its background color, text color, or hide it altogether. The status bar can be managed using the status bar component from the React Native library. So here we have the little small demo. So here you can see that I have just make the color to be a blue. Okay, let's dive into the code level and explain the things. So here we have the React from the React, view text and the status bar from the React Native. So here we have the status bar. So first the background color of the status bar style. Okay, whether it's to be default, light content or the dark content. Okay, so according to it you can mark it. Hidden, hide or show the status bar, whether you want to hide or show, make it true or false. Translucent, make the status bar translucent. Network activity indicator visible, show the network activity indicator for the iOS. Show hide transition, so you can add the animation when hiding or showing the status bar. Okay, so this is the properties of the status bar, right? And nothing over it, just there is a style sheet over here. Okay, so by doing this one you are completely able to change the status bar look in your React Native application. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.